Hello everyone. I greet you all. I salute. Is your lady Joy Samuel, aka Lady J, aka the Indomie Mama One of Universe, aka the Boss Lady. You know, complete too. I greet you now. I salute. So my people, what carry me come today be saying? I want more really look into this matter where they bother me. If you listening to this message, I also you go pick sense from this message when I want drop. So my people, question when I come ask be say, who be your friend? Yes. Who will they see as friend? I don't have the question when I come through to everyone. Who be your friend? Who you they see as friend? You know, so we get different kind of friends. We get. But there are some friends, the one when me they talk about, so the friends, what would they call them bestie? The friend, what would they call and say, this one are my paddy? The friend, what would they call and say, no, this one are my personal person. Now that kind of friend now they talk about. Not be just your friend, oh, hey, good morning, no, pass. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about real friend. A friend you call a bestie, a friend you see as a sister, a friend you see as everything. Yes. When you are crying, she's crying. When you are in pain, she's in pain. You know, you share clothes together. You share a secret together. You share everything together. You don't have secret for each other. When you are with her, you always free with him or her. These are the kind of friends I want us to really talk about. Who is your friend? How do you know your bestie? How? You say this person is my bestie. How you want really to know whether the person is really your bestie? Is it by sharing clothes together? Sharing idea together? Or, you know, party together? Flexing together? Share secret together? Everything about you are free to tell her or tell him. That is who we call friends, right? Yes. It's good. When we really call those persons, say they be our friend. It's good, it's nice. Say they see all these people say, yes, they be this one are my friend and my bestie. It's very nice. People you share secrets with. People you can tell anything that you no go fear. You go just tell and say, I'm my friend. See some kind of things where I do. You are free to tell because your secret is safe with her. That is the reason why you are free to expose yourself to that extent that you don't have secret before him or her because he's your bestie, because he's your bestie, is your friend. Yes, these are the people we call friends. Yes. Now, the reason why I asked that question that who is your friend? Who is your friend? How do you know who is your friend? This is the problem I have now. And as you listen to this message, your comments matter a lot. Who is your friend? Now, we see all these things as, this person now, my friend, though I don't joke with this person because you really love this person from your heart. You believe that the way you love this your friend, that is the way she love you as well. That is why we call each other bestie. This one are my bestie. You might have 10 friends, but you go have bestie for inside. Bestie means somebody you can tell your secret. You can tell any to. Maybe your paddy. Yes. Okay. Now, this person where they call say na your paddy, so how you want really know say this person are your friend? Because una they eat for one plate. Because una they go party together, una they wear the same to match. Bag and shoe. If the cloth where this one wear, now this one go wear. If this one see clothes so outside the bag, go back on for you. If you see anything, if you know money, no, if the thing not be true, you not go buy. If as I say don't buy for us, I go always buy for you. This one are the people who they see say, this person are my personal person. This person not the use and play, not the use and joke. Oh. This person if I dey cry, she dey cry. Oh. If I dey happy, she dey happy. Oh. Anything will go make me happy, she go always do it. She go even fight for me. If person they even they talk about me, say she go fight for me. And these people they call and say they be our best friend. Now, my people, If you want really know who be your friend, offend that kind of person where they call on your bestie, offend them. Do wetin go offend them. Now there you go really know if the person really love you or if they pretend. Have a fight with him. I'm not saying fight or blow to blow. Maybe you offend him or her. That is when you will know who is your friend. Some friend, you will not really know that till you offend them. When you offend them, that is when you will know if this person really love you or no. Have a fight with this person. Have quarrel with this person. That is when you will know if she is your friend or no. So friend, when you don't offend them, you don't really know who they are. They can just be there for you for years, but the day you offend them, that is the day you will know that that is the person you address as your bestie is a vampire that can swallow you, that can suck your blood till you die. She will never leave you. A friend, when you offend that person you call your friend, all your secrets will be out. She will expose you. That is the way she will rehearse. Oh God, you yourself, you will regret that. Okay, since all these years I've been calling this person my bestie. Oh, that means I made a mistake. That means it's like I'm not short. I can't see with this my eyes. You will be imagining it that. So I've been making friends with this kind of person for years. I never know who she is. My sister, offend your bestie. Now you go know whether na real bestie. If you offend them, now there you go know be your friend or not be your friend. A friend, you call a friend, a person will be say, if you know they make friendship again, your secret is always sealed. She can never expose anything she know about you. If they ask and say, where Lady J, you go say, I just see her now. We just leave each other now. She want to go buy something. Then you go see some people say, where Lady J go say that one. No man, I beg you don't know it has. I beg if you want you ask about person, ask about another person. No, you ask about this one. No, I beg. You know the person go want know what they happen between the both of you because it won't really they find how to narrate you. That one go come they ask and say, wetin happen on the quarrel? Go say, no man, see what she do. Upon us, I do this one reach for her. Upon us, I do this one reach for her. He go find one way or the other way go really take bring you down. That is we go take leak everything we know about you. He go leak all the secrets. He go narrate you. He go make sure say bring you down. If you never offend friend, you never quarrel. No address that person say na real your bestie. Now when you go have fight with your best friend, now that time you go really know if the friend really love you or if they pretend. Because if you never offend them, you can never know who they are. They can be there for you for 10 years. As far as say now feel they manage each other, you know go really know the kind of person when it be. But when you offend her, and then you go know say na python now you dey deal with. He go make sure say bring you down. He go make sure say everything he know about you, but the one way you do, but the one way you know do. He go talk am because you know say people must believe her because they go say you know her now. They be best friend now. I ain't best friend now. If anything we talk now truth, because now you best friend. Then you go come to say, person when I don't deal with for 15 years, you want describe and give me. People go always believe her because why? You both of you are once bestie. Anything she say, everybody must believe her because wanna be bestie. The message I'm trying to bring out here that you don't really know who is your friend till you offend them. That is when you will know who is your friend. A friend that you will offend, no matter the offend, your secret is safe there. She will always keep your secrets. Even though she have a fight with you, she will not allow anything to harm you. Even in your own behalf of you, she will still be fighting for you. Say, even though say we know they talk, I better leave her. Mona leave her. Now still my friend. Leave her. He go still they fight for you. Even though say both of you know they agree, she go still they fight for you. That is your friend. But we see some people as a friend because with the chop, yeah, I beg, if you put food for man, you two go collect and put for man. Now lie, many of them are pretender. Many of them, they be animal in uniform. When you offend them, now you go really know, say, hey, now this person now they follow the Wakasi all these years. Some friends can be eating with you, sleeping with you, still killing you, you will not know, but you will still see them as bestie. Even though people tell you that this person, look at what she's doing on your behalf, you cannot believe them because before you, she's something else. When she's not with you, she's something else. You can never believe because this is the person you share secrets with. This is the person you relate with. This is the person you don't hide anything for her. This is the person you call your sister. You will say, she's my sister, she's my friend. These are the people who call sister, she's my friend. Till you offend somebody you call your friend, you will not really know if she's your friend. Offend them. Do something that will provoke them. Their action, the way they speak, the way they react, that is what will make you to classify that person that this is my bestie. Mona quarrel for 1 week, Mona quarrel for 2 weeks, Mona quarrel for 3 weeks. Now you go really know if that person now really your friend. If now friend where they pretend, through that place where you offend them, you go really know, say, this person a pretender. Why am I saying all this? No matter any friend that you are keeping, be wise and be careful. Like people you call your bestie, wash very well before you identify somebody that this person is my bestie. Know that your secret is safe with that person. Know that both of you have some quarrel. The way she reacts, the way she talk, the way she do will make you to testify if she is your bestie or not. If you have never offended your friend, don't ever see her as your bestie. Don't ever see her as your best friend. Because your best friend can become your worst enemy. While your worst enemy will become your best friend tomorrow. So I hope you will learn from this video. Okay? Who is your friend? That is my message. Love you guys.